Welcome back to LazyAIncome, where we break down real, practical systems to build sustainable, AI-powered income streams, the smart way. I started this AI digital product business just 6 months ago, and it personally generated over $14,000 from one digital product. No face, no ads, just Instagram and TikTok pages. But today I'm not flexing. I'm starting from zero with you like a complete beginner, and I'll show you step by step exactly how I did it. I'll even give you my AI digital product so you can apply the same process. Now listen, this works best when you follow the steps in order. Most people fail because they skip steps or choose the wrong niche. That's why the first step is picking a profitable niche. It should check all 3 boxes to pass the test. First, target a high-paying audience. We want people who can actually buy our digital product, so please don't pick a Minecraft niche or something like anyways. Second, you should be interested in the niche. If you enjoy it, you'll last longer. If you don't, you'll burn out simple. Third, virality. This niche must be worldwide, and you should be able to find more than one account pulling millions of views. Now put these 3 checkboxes on a list and start brainstorming your niche. Or you can just ask ChatGPT for examples based on these 3 checkboxes. It will definitely give you solid ideas. This structured approach is what separates random posting from building a real digital asset that compounds over time. Once you have a few niche ideas, it's time to analyze and pick the best one. All you need to do is search that niche on Instagram or TikTok and look at 3 metrics. Views. We want millions likes and comments to confirm it's engaging, and shares. This means the content is actually shareable for me. I chose the productivity and motivation niche, which takes me directly to step 2, creating my faceless brand. For the name, I'll use Namelix. It's a brand name generator. Just paste your niche, answer a few questions, and it gives you a variety of creative names. You can create one on your own if you're creative, but check this out. Soul Drive. It gives that feeling of deep motivation and inner power. So I'll pick it for the logo. Here's my strategy. I go to ChatGPT and ask it to give me 2 prompts to generate a logo for my brand Soul Drive. I want the first logo to be text-free, using only the first letter of the brand, glowing in a dynamic way. The second logo should be a glowing icon that represents the brand without any text like this. I'll have 2 different logo styles and I can choose the best one. Then I go straight to Leonardo AI. Paste the first prompt. Select the Lucid Origin model because it gives high-quality images. Set the dimension to 1:1 and hit Generate. I do the same thing for the second prompt. And honestly, you'll get so many good options. You'll feel lost. They all look great, but I'll go with this one because it presents the letter S clearly, and it has that little star that feels like it represents the soul. Now we're ready to create our accounts on Instagram and TikTok. The reason I start by creating the accounts early is because we need to wait 3 days before posting the first video. During this time, we warm up the account by scrolling, engaging, and following accounts related to our brand. This tells the platform, we're not a robot. Finally, make sure to switch your account to professional and add a strong bio. I just asked ChatGPT for bio ideas and it gave me this one with an emoji pointing to the digital product link that we'll create in step 3. But before creating random stuff and then wondering why you get 0 sales, there's one important rule. You need to create something people will love and think, am I crazy if I miss this offer? It should be more than one thing. You remember when I checked that box saying, you must be interested in the niche. That also means you'll be interested in the digital product itself. So here's the real question you need to ask. What is that? One thing that if I see it, I'd buy it instantly. I have 2 ways to find that. First way, when you're warming up your account during those 3 days, check other creators' bios and see what they're selling. If you like the offer, recreate it, add some enhancements, and sell it. Second way, use the prompt I left in the blog linked in the description. By the way, that blog contains the full explanation of this video, plus all the prompts and resources I'm using so you can stay organized with me. Anyway, paste that prompt into ChatGPT, Add your niche, and it will generate an AI digital product pack with more than one item, and even explain how to create it using AI. Now we're shifting from theory to execution, because ideas only become income when you actually package and launch them properly. So now let me reveal the digital product I actually created using this ChatGPT method. It's called the All-in-One Life Control System, a ready-to-use Google Sheets dashboard pack designed to help you take control of your life. The pack includes a finance tracker, a weekly planner, a task tracker, and the habit tracker. This is the famous one. From here, you can see all your daily habits, track your progress, and stay consistent. You can also see every month of the entire year all in one place. And all these trackers come with a manual right here showing you exactly how to customize everything. If you want to download it, I'm giving you explicit resale rights. You can find it at the bottom of the blog. Just enter your email and click Unlock. Free download. That's it. You'll get the link to all 4 trackers. So if you think this is valuable, smash the like button and subscribe. And let's move on to setting it up on Gumroad. It's a free hosting platform. By the way, once you create your account, click on Settings and set everything up with your brand info, name, and logo. Here you'll see the profile colors. I highly recommend going dark to give it a premium vibe. And for the second color, choose something close to your brand color. I'll pick this blue. Next, complete the payment details so you can get paid. Click Save, then go back to your dashboard and add your first product. For this part, go back to the blog and grab this prompt. Just paste the description of your digital product, describe it however you want, and ChatGPT will generate everything you need to publish your product with a high conversion rate. If you want more attraction, I just say add emojis, and there you go. Now paste the title here for the price instead of $9. Remember, we're selling a high-value pack, so set it to $19.99 at least. Then click Digital Product. Hit Next and paste the description, and make sure to add images of what your pack includes. Whatever you're selling, people must see part of it before buying. So I go to all the trackers, take screenshots, then upload them to Canva to make them look clean. Add a frame and a glow shadow. By the way, to get that shadow effect in Canva, you need to download the image first, then re-upload it. Click, edit, and select shadow with the color you want. Do this for all the other images. Upload them here and you're done. Now we need the image that represents our AI digital product. You have 2 options. 1, go to Canva, add all the images, the title, and a background. Simple. 2, go to Nano Banana on Google Gemini, upload the 4 images, and ask it to create an eye-catching image presentation for this all-in-one life control system pack, including all of these images without changing what's inside the Google Sheets. End it with 16:9. This gives you a wide image like this one. The result is actually great, but sometimes we need that extra 4K sharpness. So go to any free AI image upscaler. There are plenty of free tools on Google like this one named. I love IMG. Upload your image and hit Enhance in seconds. It gives you a high-quality version. If you want more options to choose from, you can also upload the 4 images as one single image to ChatGPT, since it can't accept more than 3 images, and ask it the same prompt. Now, I compare the 2 results and pick the best one. Just make sure not to compare it with the one you created. Upload the image here, click Save, and Continue. Then paste the links to all 4 trackers. Now, when someone buys it and clicks the links, he will create a copy before he starts editing. So go ahead and click Publish. But we're not done. Yet, the link shows Gumroad on it. And honestly, that looks unprofessional if we put it directly on our pages. So we need to buy a domain name. And I highly recommend the .store extension. It's basically a cheat code for SEO, because it tells Google instantly that you're a business plus. Big creators like Mr. Beast use it for their shops. If it builds trust for them, it'll definitely work for us. So go straight to get DST Store. Search for your brand name, click Add to Cart, and proceed. If you add this promo code, you'll get the domain for just $99. You'll need to deselect privacy protection. It's not that important. Now click Pay, create your account, and complete the purchase. Once you've purchased the domain, click Manage DNS, then DNS records. From here, we only need to add one record. It's a key record for the value. Go to Gumroad, click on Settings, then Advanced and click on Learn More. Scroll down, copy this exact value and paste it here. For the host name, write 3, then click Save. Next, click Domain Forwarding, then add. Keep your domain the same, but for the destination, paste the full URL format, exactly like this. Then click Forward Domain. Now go back to Gumroad and paste your domain like this. But don't click Verify yet. It usually takes 1 hour to 24 hours to activate. Just click Update Settings, and it will automatically connect to your digital product link. Now we can put this link in our bio and move on to Step 5, creating content. So first you need to analyze what people in your niche are creating and which videos are actually going viral. In the productivity and motivation niche, there are 2 main types of videos. The first type is the easy-to-create one. Motivational clips from movies or podcasts with a title on top. Literally, people just take the clip, add their logo, and boom. Both videos are pulling millions of views. The second type is the talking motivation videos. I'm sure you've already seen these all over your feed. Here's the difference between the two. The first type is easy to create and can go viral fast, but it doesn't build an audience that actually buys your digital product. The second type takes more time to make, but the audience is high-paying and engages with the brand way more. So my strategy is simple. Create both every day, post 2 videos, 1 of each style. This one brings the reach, and this one brings the conversions. To create this second type, I crafted this prompt for you. Paste it into ChatGPT. Add your niche, and it will generate 10 viral topic ideas. Copy all of them and save them in a new Google Doc. We'll need them later. Next, use this second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Add the first viral topic idea, and it will generate the full video script and 1 image prompt per sentence, so we can create clean visuals for the video. Now we need to turn the script into a voiceover, so we'll use 11 Labs. Click on Voices, then Filter. Select English for language. Don't select an accent. They're all good in category. Select narrative, conversational, and social media. These are the more casual ones. For gender, of course, select male. And for age, it's actually based on your niche, but for productivity, he should be older or middle-aged. Then click Apply Filter. From here, you can try all of them to see which one is good. Listen to this one. He caught it with his glove, but he ignored the gash, set it aside, and sent his other fist crashing into her face. He's actually good. So click Add. Now go to Text to Speech. Paste your script and adjust the parameters. This part depends on the voice, so you'll need to test a few times until it sounds right. After a few generations, you'll find the final settings. Click Generate and your voice is ready. For the visuals, we'll use Nano Banana on Google Gemini. Just paste the image prompt. Make sure to add 916 at the end and click Generate. Do this for all the images and look at the quality. No random errors like the old image generator tools. So now upload everything to any editing app. But we're still missing 90% of what makes motivation videos look great. The background music. This is the list of the top background music I personally use. Just download one and upload it into CapCut. Now for the voiceover. You'll see each sentence separately, so just trim it to remove any silence between lines. This makes everything sound smooth. Next, we add the images. The best part is, CapCut arranges images automatically in order, so just add them without listening to the voice. And of course, reduce the music volume so the voice stays clear. See, now select all the images and add a zoom to make it feel unique to your brand. As you can see, the video has random colors, but one secret in this niche is to pick one color and stick with it. It should match your brand. I'll go with this dark blue. Now upload your logo. Go to Blend and select Brighten. This way, the logo doesn't block anything. You can place it anywhere, but I prefer it at the bottom. Next, add a mix transition between images. Then we can add an effect, like play pendulum, to give the images movement. Just make sure to copy the settings so it doesn't move too much. Add a vignette effect to bring that dark cinematic vibe, and always make sure the logo stays above the effects. Now the last thing, captions. Don't generate them directly because the audio lines are stacked. The captions won't generate completely. To fix it, I click Export and select Audio Only. Then remove the old audio and upload the exported one. Now, when you click Generate Captions, it will create the full captions. So go to Text Templates and choose a word-by-word template like this one, and your video is ready to schedule in Step 6. The reason why I schedule posts on Metricool is because sometimes you lose motivation to create videos, and when that happens, you stop posting. So my strategy is to create as many videos as possible when you're motivated or just free. Then schedule them across the whole week or even the month. So first click Create Account on Metricool. Then they'll ask you to connect your social media. Make sure you're already logged in on the same browser so everything connects easily. Like this. Now click on Planning. Then Create, Post, and select the 2 platforms. Upload your video from here. And for the caption, remember the video idea. This is the best caption you can use, and trust me, don't use hashtags now. Schedule the video for tomorrow at a time you think is good. After a few weeks, you'll be able to see your audience data and find the best time to post. For the other video, the easy-to-create one, you only need one caption that you can always reuse. Let's ask ChatGPT for that, and this is what it gives us. I'll pick this one. Again. No hashtags. Schedule it on the same day as the first video, and that's it. Day 1 is done. So this is everything you need to know about building an AI digital product brand. Is this a long-term business? Yes. But will this specific digital product last forever? I don't think so. That is exactly why I gave you the prompts to generate new ones. When trends change, you just create a new product and replace the link. So invest your time in building the brand. You won't regret it. Peace. If you're serious about building automated income streams the smart way, make sure you're applying each step instead of just watching passively. Subscribe to LazyAIncome and turn these AI strategies into real assets that pay you long after the work is done.